Hello and welcome to my channel. Today my lesson is going to be on exterior angle of triangle. Now before I explain the exterior angle of a triangle, I'm going to work it out in an easier and more in a more simpler way basically. So if I looked at A and 120, you can see that these are angles on a straight line. So A is equal to, so basically we're going to go A plus 120 degrees is equal to 180 degrees. Adjacent angles on a straight line. Adjacent angles on straight line. Okay. And we are going to say that A is equal to 180 degrees. Subtract 120 degrees, so A is equal to 60 degrees. We will then go on and look at the angles in a triangle. Yeah, so this is now 60 degrees. So the angles in a triangle add up to 180 degrees. So we're going to go B plus 80 degrees plus 60 degrees is equal to 180 degrees. And my reason here would be sum of angles of triangle. And 80 plus 60 is 140. So we're going to go B plus 140 degrees is equal to 180 degrees. And B is equal to 180 degrees subtract 140 degrees. So B is equal to 40 degrees. Now, I'm going to fill this in. This is 40 degrees. Right, so the emphasis on today's lesson is on the exterior angle. So if we look at the exterior angle here, we can see that the exterior angle, which is 120, is equal to the sum of the interior opposite angles. So if I looked at 80 plus 40, 80 plus 40 is 120. So instead of the long method we used, we could just work it out this way. We could find A first by working out adjacent angles on a straight line like we did. Then to find B, we could just go B plus 80 degrees is equal to 120 degrees. And so my reason here is exterior angle of triangle, basically exterior angle of triangle is equal to sum of interior opposite angles. Sum of interior opposite angles. But my reason when I write it down, I just say exterior angle of triangle. Exterior angle of triangle. So exterior angle of triangle is equal to the sum of the interior opposite angles. So B is equal to 120 degrees subtract 80 degrees. Therefore, B is equal to 40 degrees. Okay, let's have a look at another example. Let's look at number 2. So number 2, we are given an exterior angle, which is your 100 degrees, and the interior opposite would be the 70 and C. So to work this out, we are going to go C plus 70 degrees is equal to 100 degrees, exterior angle of triangle. So C is equal to 100 degrees subtract 70 degrees. Therefore, C is equal to 30 degrees. So 70 plus 30 is 100. So, and there's your 100 there. Okay, let's have a look at another example. Okay, so here we have, and we have an isosceles triangle basically, and with the isosceles triangle we can see that these two angles here will be equal. This angle here will equal that angle there because it is opposite, its angles opposite equal sides. So angle B is equal to angle D, angles opposite equal sides. So we need to work out angle B. So let's write that out. So we're going to start by saying angle C, let's write it here, angle CBD, so that means CBD is this angle here, plus 130 degrees is equal to 180 degrees, adjacent angles on a straight line. Adjacent angles on straight line. And then we're going to see that angle. So I normally write it like this, angle CBD, and I put a little marking there, that means angle, is equal to 180 degrees, subtract 130 degrees, and angle CBD is equal to 50 degrees. Now, if this is 50, angle D is also going to be 50. So let's write a reason. We don't just assume, we have to write it out. So we're going to say angle D is equal to 50 degrees. Angles opposite equal sides. And this is my exterior angle, and this is my interior opposite angles. Are you with me? So here we can go x plus 50 degrees is equal to 130 degrees. So let's write that down. X plus 50 degrees is equal to 130 degrees. Exterior angle of triangle. And therefore x is equal to 130 minus 50, and x is equal to 80. Okay, let's have a look at number 4. Right, number 4 has no, basically number 4 you have to solve it in terms of x, so you have to use an equation. So we look at it the same way. We're going to say exterior angle is equal to the sum of the interior opposite angles, that angle plus that angle. So when we work it out, we're going to say x plus 50 degrees plus 2x is equal to the exterior angle, which is 7x plus 10 degrees. And here we're going to write exterior angle, not angles, it's exterior angle of triangle. Okay, so x plus 2x would give me 3x plus 50 degrees equal to 7x plus 10 degrees. Now because the 7 is bigger on the right hand side, I'm going to move the smaller 7 across. So here I'm going to have 7x minus 3x equal to 50 degrees, and I'm going to move the 10 across, so that's minus 10 degrees. So I'm going to have 4x equal to 40 degrees, and then divide both sides by 4, and therefore x is equal to 10 degrees. And that's how you would work these out. I hope you found this video useful. Please like and subscribe and follow me on my next video.